Welcome my people. Biko make we no forget say if all these operators, when we use them on arithmetic values or arithmetic data types such as float and integer, they have another name and they perform another function. But when we use them alongside other data types such as string, they also perform another option. That's when we land ourselves into what we call string concatenating operator. So this string concatenating operator is plus, just plus. So just as saying like calam plus u, calam u. So we just say, let's say dog plus, say dog like this now is one string on its own. So we are now using concatenating operator, which is plus, to join it together. Concatenate to join something together. So we want to concatenate it, dog plus cat. We want to concatenate these two strings. You see now, dog, cat. That's it. So that is what is called string concatenation, and the operator we use in carrying this out is called string concatenating operator, which is plus. We use plus as an operator of concatenation. Hope we're on the same page.